Solflare wallet and MetaMask are both popular wallets, but they support different blockchain networks. Solflare is used primarily for the Solana blockchain, while MetaMask is used for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. If you want to use both wallets together, you can do so by interacting with dApps that supports both Solana and Ethereum networks, but there's no direct integration between Solflare and MetaMask, since they work on different blockchains. However, here's how to use them together efficiently. Install both wallets. Download and install Solflare wallet and MetaMask as browser extensions or mobile apps. Set up each wallet. Follow the setup instructions for each wallet, including saving your recovery phrases securely. Ensure that each wallet is funded with their respective tokens. Use multi-chain dApps. Some dApps support both Solana and Ethereum. Use these platforms to interact with your assets. For instance, you can use Radium through Solflare and Uniswap via MetaMask. Bridge tokens. To move tokens between Solana and Ethereum, you may use a cross-chain bridge like Wormhole, allowing you to transfer assets between the two networks.